Well, it's Friday, and you know what that means. Danette Randall, the Randall.
Did you just say Danette?
Again, I did it. Danette Randall, the dessert diva. It's the diva that gets me. I blend the words. The dessert diva is in the house, and you're making something that's not keto, but it's paleo.
It's gluten-free.
It's gluten-free.
Whatever it is, it's delicious.
Packed full of protein. So this is it is a trail mix granola bar bread. So
good.
It's a long title, but it's not quite a granola bar. It's not a bread. And I used to make this. My husband's a big skier, and he does all the black diamonds. He doesn't like to stop in the lodge to eat, so I would make something hearty,
You're such a good
healthy
wife.
for him. You know what I mean? So he used to take this, and if it was bread, it would crumble. So this was harder, and he would take it with him. And
Nice.
So it's packed full of protein. Very simple. And of course, if you don't want this gluten-free, just use regular flour.
Okay.
Just use regular flour, but we're trying to keep it a little
Healthy for the new year.
Okay, so 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. That's all you're gonna do. Grease a little bit, non-stick spray. Now I've got 2 cups of gluten-free flour, a little bit of salt, and then we have a little bit of baking soda, half a teaspoon. Now we're gonna do dried cranberries. Now here's where people can kind of make it, customize it themselves. You can do sweetened or unsweetened, depending on what you're actually trying to cut back on. So these are unsweetened. You can do sweetened or unsweetened coconut. This is unsweetened coconut. So already we don't have the extra sugar, but we have the nice, this helps keep it kind of tender and adds a little bit of flavor without adding extra sugar. We've got roasted salted sunflower seeds. I use the salted, you could use unsalted, but you want to have some flavor, and that's a little bit of protein, a little bit of salt. Walnuts. We're gonna do half a cup of walnuts. So you can already see this has lots of protein in it, lots of protein. And then chocolate chips, because it's a granola bar, you don't have to put these in, but I like these in because think of like a trail mix bar or anything like that. So you're gonna stir that up. Now you wanna stir these with the flour first because you don't want them to, you want them to be coated in the gluten-free flour when you add the liquid. You don't want them to all fall to the bottom. So David, because you liked the zester last time, I'm gonna give you that and the orange, and you want to zest that into, that's 3 eggs right there.
And I've seen you do this like this, right?
Yep, so you just zest that. I should have given you the whole orange, it would be easier, but
Am I doing it correctly?
Yeah. See when you get to the white, that's called the pith. You don't want that.
You don't want the pith.
Yeah, because it'll pith Gail off, and that will not be good. So just keep doing.
But man, it smells good in here.
It does.
So now you know how to do this.
All right.
All right. So that's all. Okay, good job. You can do it. Now you know you can do it. Now you know you can do it. So you just you would zest. You put that down there. Now we're doing the orange because we want to freshen it up. We want a little bit of, we want the citrus in there. We want to freshen it up. So then we're going to put the juice in there.
Wow.
And like I said, this is 3 eggs, and then there's 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Okay.
Now we're doing half a cup of brown sugar. So there is sugar. Remember last week we didn't have sugar.
I do remember
this week we're going to have sugar, but it's just a half a cup in the whole thing. So we're doing half a cup of sugar, and then we're going to do half a cup of the pure organic maple syrup. Because you do need to, help give this a little bit of sweetness. So we're going to do the maple syrup. And how am I
We're getting a wrap here.
Okay.
All
right. So all you do is stir this up. You're going to pour that into that. Combine it. Bake this. It only takes about 35 minutes to bake, and it is really good, packed full of protein. And God bless.
It is delicious.
All right, Ian, we'll bring you and Marisol back.
It looks delicious. I needed that when I lived in Vermont. It does look like it's perfect for skiing, or probably to help you motor on through a morning show. Max Defender